Hello friends, in 2020 globally Instagram has become one of the most fastest growing social media network. If you use Instagram daily, then do you know about the tricks available in Instagram? If you are an Instagram user, then you need to know about these tricks for more betterment in Instagram. So what are those tricks? Watch this video till end to know each and every tricks of Instagram properly. So without getting any delay, let's get started into video. Do you guys often check the list of those friends who are not following you back? It is so difficult to check each and every friends who haven't followed you back from their profile, but we have one idea through which you can see the list of those friends who are not following you back. For this you need to have the application called Followmeter. Don't worry, this is trusted app. Log in from your Instagram and you can see the option not following you back. Click on that and you will able to see the list of those friends who are not following you back. You can directly click on following button to unfollow them. Do you guys want to see the history of others but without their notice? Well, we have Instagram Anonymous Story Viewer. Just you need to download the application called Friendly IG Assistant. Well, this is also trusted application. Guys, note that the application which I am saying in this video are all trusted and officially allowed by Instagram and Google Play. So no need to worry. Well, after you download, you need to log in with your Instagram and you will see screen as like in video. Now just click on Anonymous Viewer and start to see history of others without their notice. When you try to post photo in feed or story, your photo should be cropped before posting, but you can rarely post photo without cropping. You need to install the application called Gbox, as this application is used by many Instagram users. You can use this application without login or you can log in from Google. For now, I will use without login. Then you need to click on No Crop Post and upload the image which you want to post in Instagram. So without doing anything, click on Finish. Then click on Save and share the photo without cropping wherever you want, either in chat, feed or stories. Well, do you guys want to add stylish fonts in your Instagram bio? For that, you need to open your any browser from your phone and type lingojam.com/font for Instagram. Then you will be redirected to the website as like in video. Then you guys need to start typing those things that you want to write in bio. Then below you can see your same paragraph in stylish font. Copy any of them which you like and paste in Instagram bio and see, now you have stylish Instagram bio. Do you guys know you can actually glue emoji in Instagram story? Well, it's very simple. You just need to set your story background. It is recommended to set black background for good quality of glow. Then choose any emoji from your keyboard. After that, choose the color and change the font into neon, which is located in third position. Now you can see your emoji has glowing effect according to the color that you have chosen. If you guys loves to use caption in the photo of Instagram, then you should know about this trick. There is one neat and clean application called Caption Plus, where you can find caption of different category, and again inside that category you can find various caption according to the mood of those categories that you have selected. Copy any of them and use it in your Instagram post. This trick is also again from same application called Caption Plus. From this application you can also get very useful hashtags according to the different category. You can directly copy from it and paste it in Instagram post. There are so many different slots under every category of hashtag. Select hashtags according to your picture from different slots and use it for Instagram. The first trick that comes in our list is login activity from different location. You just need to open setting of Instagram and then select security. After that you will see option called location activity. Click on that and you will get detailed information about the location from where your Instagram account was logged in. This can be useful to know the location of place where you have recently visited and use Instagram in those places. It can also be important to know the location of those people who are accessing your Instagram account. Well, these were the top 8 Instagram tricks. If you found this video interesting, then give this video with like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming like this video.